can you tell us something about your company and what are your core components here?
So we are here at the booth from VOSSLOH Fastening System.
All right.
We are an original German company, founded in 1880, so in Germany, starting with tension clamps and spring washers.
Okay.
And nowadays we are having different pillars. We are now a VOSSLOH group, not only producing fastening system anymore. We having also turnout components. We are working in grinding, rail welding. Also digitalization is now a topic for us. So core business extended, and we are focusing now really on substructure, infrastructure. That is now our core business.
Amazing. Can you tell us how are you contributing towards the sustainability of the railways and transportation?
Of course, you see also here, that is one of our key topics. We know environmental is very important. With all our materials, we are considering also the green footprint. We're working with materials with a low carbon footprint. We are working with recycling materials. We have also fastening system with a very long lifespan. So all this stuff contributes also to the green mobility.